Hey guys, I'm going to do another critique solve for my channel. Hopefully you guys can give me some pointers. Let's just scramble it real quick. Okay, so I see this pair, which makes me want to preserve it, but let's be real, I'm not that good. But I could try to be that good. Oh wow, okay, so we have two pairs, so if somebody with some moderate skill had to go with this, they'd probably have a lot of fun with this. So I'm just going to do this very slow because I want to see if I actually can preserve these two pairs. So let's see, I match that up, and then, oh, I'm dunsies, okay. Let's, this goes on this side, so I'm just going to see if I can do that. This goes right here, but I don't want to break up these two pairs. So, could I do this? I can. Okay. And now I just have this red. And there we go. Okay, I actually preserved both pairs, so that's really interesting. Of course, on a regular solve, that would have been ridiculous. And it sets me up for this nice. And then I have this case, and I can't remember his name, starts with a P, on the Discord, who showed me an algorithm for this, but I can't remember it off the top of my head, so I'm just going to go ahead and I think it was something like this, and then we moved it like that, and that worked. Okay, that works. Okay, and normally if this kind of like if this had this pair and this pair back here, then I can do something that'll set me up into a OLL that I already know, but it doesn't. So I'm just gonna do. Oh. And there we go. There we go. Okay. Tell me what you think about that preservation, if that was good or if that was just really stupid. But I'm really happy about it because I didn't think I was able to do it. Anyway, okay, let's try one more. Okay. Oh, okay, that's fine. Okay. So I see some setup for green. Or yellow. Yellow's a little easier, so I'll do yellow. Oh, 3 for yellow. So let's do that. And then this when this rotates, it's naturally going to set up as orange. So that's perfect. There we go. And here we go. Okay. So push this over here, right? And it's the first pair, so it's no trouble. And there we go. Inverted sexy. Slot that in. Push this out. Another one. And if you're asking me to do it from an angle, please don't, because I'm really bad at it. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. So headlights. And oh, nice T-firm. There we go. All right, tell me what you think, guys, about that preservation and any critiquing on the solves. Thanks.